Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall.
Let's clap for him! Woo! That was a good one, buddy!
Chief.
That was a good one!
Way to go!
Oh, we got you on camera too!
You're a clown, man.
That was a good one.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla. Big up and respect to each and every one. Now, viewers and subscribers, I heard about a man that was on a flight from Toronto, Canada to Jamaica, Montego Bay. And while the flight was in the air, it is said that the man just somehow, somewhere says that he has the coronavirus. Causing the plane to have to turn back and go all the way back to Toronto, that is in Canada. Right? And me read about that in report as well as me hear about it on social media, you see me? Now viewers and subscribers, I said, yo, me go find out what really and truly are going on, you see me? Now viewers and subscribers, upon researching about this incident that's said to have happened, you see me? I get to understand that this man did this thing just for, you know, just for fame, or he did it for a viral video. You get what I'm saying to your viewers and subscribers? I have a video of this man, right? And it's some pieces of videos put together, right? And it's going to show off this man explaining as to why he had done something like this. You see me? Now take a listen, look and observe.
I fly to Jamaica 5 times a year. One time, a couple trips ago, I did a similar thing. I pulled my phone out, I made a viral video. I got up, I said, "Can I have your attention? Can I have your attention?" Everyone stopped and looked, and I said, "Lil Wayne's new album just dropped. Everybody go get it." No problem with that. Sat back down, landed, everybody got off, no issues. Seemed to me like this was in poor taste in retrospect. What I did, I stood up, I said, "Can I have everybody's attention? I just came back from Hunan province." Well, I had my camera with me. I was looking to get a viral video. I was looking to get it up on all the social media platforms. I figured it would invoke some type of reaction, not on the plane, more people seeing on social media going, wow, this kid's got some balls, or this kid is crazy, whatever it is. I was looking to create a video, yes, that would go viral. Any publicity for myself is good publicity. What I did was wrong. I ruined the flights for 200 and some odd people. I ruined their flight.
You see, viewers and subscribers, this is one of the things when we always talk about. You see me? You have persons out there will do some things on social media or do some things in life where they might try to get views online and all these things. So you see, this is evidence as to what I've been talking about in, you know, previous videos that I've showed to you, my viewers and subscribers. You see me? Now, what could have really flied into someone's head to think that it is okay to be on a flight, on a plane, and hear, oh, this coronavirus thing is being taken so seriously. And then you're going to be like, yo, you have the coronavirus. Like, really and truly? May I tell you, viewers and subscribers, yo, I couldn't believe when I hear the story. You see me? Well, anyways, viewers and subscribers, this man had been charged. You see me? Now, I do not know the type of charges that this man had get, but this man had got some charges where it can cost him a lot of money. You see what I'm saying to you? As to what I'm getting to understand. You see what I'm saying to you? Well, anyways, viewers and subscribers, this is where I leave it. You don't know me, Dancehall Skilla. I'm only there so to keep you up to date and posted and make you know what I want. And you can let me know what you think about something like this that had happened. Alright? And until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it.